This room needs a little bit of love, some attention, and some tidying. During the summer, I like to switch the dresser over in front of this little window. It's not a full-size window, and as you see, it has a little heater in the bottom of it we use in the winter, but we don't need to use that during the summer months. So I'm gonna clean this dresser off and get it pushed over back in front of the window where I really like it the most. Because our home was built in the 1950s, our heat runs off of a furnace and oil, and that was not included in this edition of the house. So they placed these electric wall units in for heating these parts of the home. Now on to giving our refrigerator the deep cleaning that it deserves. I plan on using some of these baskets to organize. I'm going to completely empty the fridge, really give it a good washing, pull out those crisper drawers. I want to rinse them out, put everything back, and then we'll get it all organized. So all of my produce never fits in those crisper drawers. I'm gonna take this basket and actually just organize all of my beautiful produce in it and just set it right there on the bottom shelf of the fridge. I also have some blueberries and grapes. I'm gonna give a good washing, and I think I'm just gonna set them in a little colander bowl with a paper towel and just place them right in the fridge so they're easy to grab and pick from. I'm gonna assort all of my cheeses in this little basket. I like that it has a little handle. I grabbed this from the Container Store one day and place it also on the shelf. I had an extra little Lazy Susan. I'm gonna place all of our little dips and jams. My husband loves French onion dip on this little tray here so he can just spin and grab what he needs and place it right here towards the back of the fridge. And this is my most favorite refrigerator item. I got this little baking soda saver mushroom, and he helps deodorize the refrigerator. I'm gonna set him right here on the front of this tray, and how cute is that? So I am very satisfied with how this all turned out. So organized and tidy and just refreshing. I made the sweet little tomato tea towel. I'm just going to hang it here off the fridge for the final touch. Thank you all for joining me today in this little cottage cozy tidying for the summer video. And I hope you all enjoyed. If you are new and you liked today's content, I really hope you